Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNGA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated here as a new week is upon us. And really not a whole lot to say from a bigger picture perspective, other than kind of mapping out the overall pattern that seems to be going into effect here. And that pattern is just simply a sideways channel. And these levels, assuming you've watched the past videos, I've talked about and have both come into play recently again. So really, it's kind of one of those wait and see situations going forward. Now, if you are a day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, then sure, within this range right here, there's plenty of tradable opportunities. But assuming you care more so about the bigger picture, then yeah, there's not a whole lot to say other than mapping out the channel and then waiting for something to happen. And I'll define to happen later on. But first, as far as the channel is concerned, the bottom portion of the channel, otherwise known as support, is that green line right there, currently valued at 26 cents. You can see back on Friday, that is where that level was tested and confirmed as a level of support. And then on the flip side of things, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, we had that confirmation come into play definitely last week right there. But then this morning, the price got right up around that area, slightly above it, but that didn't last very long at all. And back down the price went. So top of the channel being right here at 29 cents. So again, in a nutshell, if you're talking to a friend or whatever, hey, MNGA 30-minute channel pattern, and you'll sound super smart. And, it'll just be wonderful for everybody. But that's really all you can say right now. Now, earlier I'd mentioned, well, now you kind of just got to wait for something to happen. So until something happens, happenings being defined as either a breakout to the upside of the pattern or a breakdown of the downside of the pattern, there's not much else that can be said other than you just kind of got to wait for somebody to make a move, whether that's the bulls with the breakout or the bears with the breakdown. That all remains to be seen, but the week is young, still 4 days left, so we'll see how the price plays out relative to this current channel pattern. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.